right. So right now, it's that time of year when it's starting to get a little chilly. Just a little bit. And everybody's starting to get sick. So I'm going to show you my take on good old chicken and dumplings. And we got Axel Simply Cooking with us today, too. Say hi. So he's going to be helping us out today. Oh, we have our big pot here. Pot. So what we're going to do, we're going to start, and this might seem like a lot, y'all. Might seem like a lot. We need chicken broth. 1 cup. 2 cups. I like a little bit of beef broth in there. So I'm going to have 1 cup of beef broth. For a grand total of 12 cups of fluids. I got some chicken thighs here. I'm just going to add in to my broth. No, I'll touch them because they're kind of gross. And then we need to wash our hands after we touch them. But we're going to pull them out once this gets to boil and they get done. And we're going to cut them up. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and season this because I want our broth to be like a warm hug. I want the love to show. And you got to put love into your cooking. And so by doing this, it's going to just intense everything, makes it just so good. So good. You about, woo! Mama, why didn't you cook for me like this? So I'm going to add some salt. You want to do the pepper? Here, I'll get it for you. There you go. Ranch. That's good. Seasoning salt. This is our roasted garlic. Use some chicken bouillon on top of that to really enhance the flavor of everything. So now we're just going to cover it and let it cook. So, as you've seen, we put our chicken in the crock pot. But we want to blend that chicken. We want to make sure it's well broken up, per se. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the chicken, which I changed my pot in between the time to my Dutch oven. So, if you have a Dutch oven, if not, you can use the pot just like what I was using. I just wanted to use my Dutch oven so I could say the word Dutch oven. Into the bowl. Into the bowl. Right. Then we hook it up to our mixer. And we're going to make a chicken cake. Doesn't that sound good? Jerry actually told me to do it this way. This is the way she always does hers, where she puts it in the blender and puts it on the mixer or not the blender, puts it in the mixer and does it this way. This is the way Jerry does it, she told me. So I figured we would try it out. I got my shredded chicken now, and I'm just going to plop it right back on in there. Give it back to the juices in which it came from. Let's add our dumplings. Follow the box recipe. Pour our dough or batter, whatever you want to call this in, the powder. Some cheddar, because cheddar makes everything better. That re-blend. Do our dumplings. Spoon. I'm just going to drop. Oh, look at this. So, just FYI, the things that were changed. Yes, we did change the pot to the Dutch oven because the Dutch oven is a Dutch oven, and it's fun to say Dutch oven. Secondly, when you do your biscuit mix, I will tell y'all now, do 2 boxes of the biscuit mix. Just trust me, 2 boxes. Look at that. Woo, buddy. It smells fantastic.
Chicken.
It's chicken and dumplings. Look at that chicken, the dumpling. Oh, perfect bite. You can see that heat. Now, when it gets like near December, like when it's cold out, this is gonna be perfect. Or when you're sick, I'm telling you. I took a bite earlier, burnt my mouth like crazy. Yes, sir. That's good. I'm gonna let it cool down. I ain't trying to burn myself into the hospital. And with that, I bid y'all adieu. Appreciate y'all so much for watching my video, being here. If y'all make this, let me know. If y'all have any tips, tricks, or whatever else, let me know. I'm always open for any kind of suggestion. And just know I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.